Do you hate all white people?
I don't think it's a fair question. The white man doesn't even come into my attitude. Mr. Muhammad teaches us to love our own kind and let the white man take care of himself. For a white man today, sir, after kidnapping millions of black people from Africa, stripping them of all human characteristics and relegating them to the role of chattel or cattle or animals, commodity, merchandise that could be bought and sold at will, and then 100 years since the Emancipation Proclamation, using every type of deceptive method to further us into slavery, called second-class citizenship, I think that it would take a whole lot of nerve for white people today to ask Negroes, do they hate them?
Before colonization, Nigeria was Ouwarre. In Ouwarre, we have regions and highland names like Ojumpata, Ngozi, Achua, Anono, Nomidi, Mina, Panya, Omana Obike, Omana Ike, Furechi, Furenchi, na See Tomorrow, Ostia, Potokiri, England. After colonization, Ouwarre, now Nigeria, same with Kolo be mental, as in colonization na destroy, brainwash with mouth, hand.